Okay, we got a new van, 2022 Mercedes 144. I went to Knoxville, Tennessee to pick it up and drove it back here to Maine. But here's a look at it. I like the color, kind of cool. There weren't many of these available. All right, it's pretty stripped except for the front up here, which has got all the bells and whistles that you can imagine. I think almost every option available that you can put in here. All right, we're gonna start. Okay, we're off to town to get some parts. I got the push button to start. There we go. It's kind of weird. But we'll do some video because I got the insulation came today, and I'm gonna put it up tomorrow. But you can see I put the skylight in. It's pretty loud. Let me shut the window. Close the window. Turn the radio down. So it's not too bad. Actually, Mercedes has really bumped up their rattle trap, what we call rattle trap. I'm pretty impressed. Actually, I don't really even need to put that much in here, but I will put some more in. It's substantially different than the 2017 Sprinter that I had, as far as the rattle trap that they put in there. So that's a good thing. So yeah, here's the noise once again. Okay, we're doing 70. In a 45. Here's what's insane. I just went to the hardware store and I got these bolts, which are stainless steel, were $27. Okay, the last part of the installation is insulating under the headliner, which is a multi-day project because you got to rip out the shelf above and the visor, and then carefully lower the headliner down, and not to disrupt the airbags that are all located on each side. Throw the rattle trap in there, and then just only one layer of Thinsulate. There's not enough room for 2 layers. Okay, now that all the Thinsulate insulation is in, the next step will be to install the ESPAR diesel heater underneath the passenger seat. Okay, we got a whole bunch of wires for the heater in here in the driver's seat box. I'll just show you what we got here. If you look down, coming in over here, this one is going to the controller. That's going to be by the bed. So that one's hooked up, and then it goes up this B pillar post right up here. Goes through there, up and over, and then it's going to end up being back. You coil that back behind the slider door so that when you're in bed you can turn the heater on and off. The other 2 wires is, this one is for the power to the fuel pump, and then this one is power to the battery. So it's run down through here through this grommet. It was the grommet that was already here in the Mercedes-Benz. We need to remove the driver's seat to access the relay panel, which is located underneath the driver's seat, so we can power the Orion DC charger, which is located underneath the passenger seat. Now it's quite a spaghetti mess under the driver's seat, as you can see, and the F-150 connection that we're going to tie into the alternator is down at the bottom. There was an open space with an 80 amp breaker in, which I tied into this 70 amp breaker, which leads over to the passenger seat, where the Orion DC charger is located right next to the ESPAR heater. As you can see, it's nicely fits right in there. All the wiring's neatly held, and then there's a 40 amp breaker leading from the passenger seat to the back of the van. All right, that wraps up this video. If you like it, hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Hope you enjoyed it.